We cannot discuss many things, if our economy is in shambles. So I'm very proud that today our economy, our currency is strong, our economy is good. And that is the reason why today we can now discuss how to build the roads. That is why we can even do the securitization, because we can go to the market and borrow at reasonable rates. There was no way we would have gone to the market if our economy if we had defaulted. We must do something about the port of Mombasa to make it much more efficient. Imagine, we are making only 6 billion shillings. We can make 50 billion from Mombasa port. Why do you want us to make 6 billion when we can make 50? And we can employ more people. We can make the port much more efficient. We can connect the port to SGR. SGR will be making money. The port will be making money. We will be doing something better.
Mimi kwanza nitake tu kukupatia imani juu ya viongozi wa Pwani. Sisi nataka utushike ukijua sisi ni wenzako sasa, ni wenzako 2027, ni wenzako kwenda mbele. Hilo ni jambo la kwanza. Ikiwa pengine labda ulikuwa unatushika lakini una wasiwasi, unaona labda sisi tutageuka, sisi hatugeuki, sisi hatubanduki, kuzama na kuzuka, kupata kukosa. Sisi tumeamua, tutasimama na viongozi wetu, Ali Hassan Joho, Mvurya, Kingi na wengine nyuma yako. Na ni kwa sababu umetuonesha hisani. Hisani, yani you have shown some goodwill to our people. Zile appointment ambazo umezifanya, we are not taking them for granted. Regime have come, so many regime, kuanzia Jomo Kenyatta the senior, mpaka regime ya kufikia wakati huu. Hakuna regime imemrecognize Mpwani kama regime ya His Excellency Dr. William Samoei Ruto.